So this is my loft at the moment. It's full of crap. That's the loft hatch. I've got a fairly posh ladder in at the moment. And the idea is to make it look quite nice. I'm going to put another window up here. There's that window. But we put in a window yesterday, so it's no longer the dark, dingy, smelly place that it was. So much better up here now. Can't even hear the birds singing. I love a nice loft space. It's like a treehouse for adults, isn't it? So, one of the cool things about this window, check this out, by a company called Keylite. They've got internal blinds. So this blind is actually in between the two glass panes, and that's the magnet that opens and shuts it. So that's pretty pimp. So the idea here is going to put a desk over there, and that should be pretty nice. But yeah, at the moment it's full of crap.